Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be showing you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Sport V6 Autobiography Dynamic. This vehicle features a 3-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Carpathian Grey. This vehicle also features a plethora of added extras, so make sure you check these in the description below. Let's start our journey from the front of this autobiography, where we will find the Pixel laser LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading down the side, we'll see further perfectly black contrasting features such as the black bonnet louvers as it sits proudly on a set of 22-inch gloss black alloys. To the rear, you'll also notice the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. You'll also notice the sport and autobiography badges here. Opening the power tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space. Looking to our right, you'll also see easy to access controls for electronic air suspension for easy loading in and out of this vehicle. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the comfort and quality of their ebony and cloud duotone heated leather seats. You'll also be able to access your own climate control system within the rear of this vehicle, which both passengers can tailor to their own individual preferences. And glimpse into the cockpit reveal your 22-way memory heated and cooled front seats with winged headrests will ensure comfort and quality on any length of journey. Taking a closer look now at the view that greets the driver, you'll see your duotone fully leather heated steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your trip computer, your sat nav and your speed. You'll also be able to access your heads-up display, which will be demonstrated here by my finger. As we now advance over to your 10-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features InControl Pro navigation and can tell you various different things about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your rear camera and your front and rear parking aid, which will certainly come in handy when parking and navigating this rather large SUV. And looking down into your lower screen, where you'll also be able to access climate control systems as well as heated and cooled seat functions, as well as further vehicle dynamics and terrain response systems. Ascending further into the cockpit of the vehicle, you'll see your extended carbon fibre trim finisher, as well as your front centre console refrigerator compartment, which is sure to come in handy within these warmer months when storing cold drinks. And to finalise our journey, we look up to find your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle and enhance the Suedecloth headlining in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Sport, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching.